What if I tell you now that the most important space in modern medical research right now isn't sterile laboratory biology bench and it isn't an intensive care hospital room. It's data pipeline. Right now, a massive silent revolution is happening at the intersection of medicine and technology. Global pharmaceutical giants are no longer just looking for traditional medical staff. They are hunting for a rare, highly specialized hybrid professional. They need people who understand human biology, but who also know how to manage, clean, architect massive digital database. The role is a clinical data associate or clinical data coordinator. If you have a degree in pharmacy, nursing, or life sciences, instead looking towards the traditional paths which everyone is choosing, get into alternative careers. The smartest grads are looking right towards the tech-driven corporate world, clinical data management. In this video, we are going to look at the unique nature of the role, what is the actual day on the dashboard looks like, and definitive training roadmap for you. And we are going to break it down one by one. Who is a clinical data associate? When a new drug is being tested across 50 different hospitals globally, thousands of data points are generated every second. We are talking about heart rate trends from wearables, complex genetic sequencing, and massive panel laboratory blood tests. But here is the catch. Humans are messy and the raw data needs to be cleaned up. This is exactly where Clinical Data Associate steps in. They are the digital architect who build the logic frameworks that validate incoming data and translate into a flawless structured digital asset that regulatory bodies like the FDA can actually trust. The real stakes are data accuracy, trial validity, and patient safety. The entire trial is only as valid as its data. The data is only trustworthy if someone entered it correctly, verified it rigorously, and maintained its integrity from the first patient visit to database look. The clinical data associate is the person whose daily work prevents poor data quality, leading the unreliable results and wrong outcomes. Because regulators audit data and expect it to be perfect. When the US FDA or EMA inspects a clinical trial, they don't just read the final report. They go into the data. They check audit trails. They verify that what is it in the database that matches what was it in the source document. The clinical data associate meticulously daily work is what makes a trial inspection ready. Not at the end, but at every point along the way. Because data problems compound and compounding is expensive. The clinical data associate catches the data entry error early on the trial. The cost of correcting is enormous. The intervention, early, accurate, consistent, saves months of remediations and protects the scientific validity of everything that follows. Hence, all the said reasons, the role of clinical data associate is irreplaceable. What makes this role so unique compared to anything else in the pharmaceutical industry? The fact is that it satisfies both sides of the brain. It satisfies the scientific mind that loves medical logic, but it also satisfies the analytical mind that loves organization and technology. But let's talk about the human side of the equation, because it's easy to get lost in the spreadsheets. When you clean and protect this data, you are protecting the integrity of human health narratives. You get to work in a structured, high-growth corporate office or remote environment, while knowing your analytical precision is directly accelerating life-saving cures. Let's talk about data entry from CRFs, also known as case report forms. So, CRFs are structured documents used to collect patient data at every trial visit. The clinical data associate enters this data into the electronic data capture system, which is known as EDC, and they do it accurately within the required time frame. Next is query raising and resolution. So when data doesn't look right, the clinical data associate raises a query to clinical site, tracks its status, follow up, reviews the site response, accept or challenge the resolution. On an active trial, it occupies a significant part of everyday working. Then comes data validation or edit check review. So automated edit checks in the EDC system flag the potential issues. The clinical data associate reviews every single flag, determining whether it's true discrepancy or a false positive, and acts accordingly. This requires both system knowledge and clinical understanding for what the data is actually representing. Now another one is data reconciliation and status check. So reconciliation data across systems in order to ensure consistency, tracking entry and query status by site and patient by patient, producing complete reports and tell the trial team exactly where the data stands at the given moment. So it's dynamic day of digital auditing, problem solving and cross-functional communication. First, confirm your academic qualification. This career path is tailor-made for graduates in pharmacy, nursing, biotechnology, microbiology or core life science branch. Your university degree gave you the vocabulary. Now you need corporate tools. Second, build your clinical trial foundation. Understand what a clinical trial actually is and know the 4 phases. Learn ICH E6, good clinical practice guideline. Third is gain practical exposure to EDC software. Familiarity with electronic data capture tools and clinical data management system is necessary. Fourth, learn the regulatory guidelines. You must specialize in GCP, that is good clinical practice, and understand data handling standards like CDISC. Fifth is complete a certification in clinical research management or clinical research. Choose a program with hands-on exercises, CRF completion, query stimulation and data discrepancy identification. Theory without practice will not prepare you for a live trial environment. Sixth, target CROs for your first role and know which one hires fresher. Apply specifically to data management or clinical operations. Track within the CROs and pharma companies that actively hire, because this field is highly technical. A structured industry aligned training company can change everything for you. If you want a proven direct path into this industry, you should explore CliniLaunch Research Institute. CliniLaunch is a NSTC recognized premium institute that bridges the exact gap between traditional science degrees and the modern tech pharma industry. We offer specialized advanced and postgraduate diplomas in clinical data management, and you get practical hands-on exposure to the workflows used by major global operations. Combined with their massive network of 300 plus corporate hiring partners, intensive mock interviews and dedicated career placement mentorship, they transform you from a science grad to a corporate ready data professional. The future of medicine belongs to data. As a global clinical trial grow more complex and demand for professionals who can manage the data safety is skyrocketing. Take control of your transition today. Head down to the description box below, click the link to visit CliniLaunch, explore our specialized clinical data programs and book a free consulting session with the industry experts. If this fresh perspective is bringing some value, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech healthcare insights. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.
Visit us today, www.clinilaunchresearch.in.